by taking the sketch that you've drawn. This is a sketch I've previously drawn for a barbering shop. Within this, I've done a little bit of alterations. I scanned the image in rather than editing Illustrator. I used several different styles. So, first thing is I've set my computer up into a way where you can view multiple ends to edit. So, what I've done is just pick some spot colors and color it in. What you can also do, if you prefer, is create a color palette to work from, which a lot of artists tend to do. However, I find working organically works best. Some of the tools do take a while to load, so you need to just be patient and practice. Practice makes perfect. So as you progress, your skills will improve and you will get better at your craft. I've chosen to use a light blue for part of the tools because I feel this really stands out against the white rather than a red. I've used yellows and purples and red in some places, but I want to keep the colour palette quite neutral. You can enter the hex code BF416 if you want to use the same colours as me and as you follow along. If you like, you could make this image available for you to colour yourself. Blue and grey tones because I feel this works well for the piece and trying to keep it rustic. Purple in some places as it's a bright and vibrant colour which brings a bit of life to the illustration. Grey also fits some of the other materials such as the razors and mirrors, which are which tend to be in these sort of tones. And try to colour the image as close to real life as possible, as this would create a better outlook. You can use Pantone colors, which I've also used. If you look into the color palette and click Pantone colors, you can find Pantone colors which are good because they match color specification printing modes. Try to stick to the same colors that you've used throughout. You can also add highlights if you use masking tools with brushes, but I want to keep this graphic quite flat as I've drawn it in quite a 3D way while still keeping the elements looking 2D, which was a task in itself to do, but some one of my fortes. Forte means hard to explain. Forte is skill set, part of your skill set. tool to select part of the areas that you would like to color more detailedly. You can press Command plus plus to zoom in, or Command minus minus to zoom out, or Control on this PC. The eyedroplet tool, pressing I, is very useful also, as this allows you to select colors close to your tones, or the exact color. To use different layers to create your artwork, as this allows you to change and alter the image without affecting the overall piece. If you don't like something, you can go back and change it, which gives you an option. Or it's also good to duplicate the canvas, as you can compare different color styles as you go along and save different files for your editor or creative director if they don't like what you've already picked for the original color scheme. Gradient bucket tool is quite good also if you want to get variance within colors. I've then gone on to create a background layer to give it a bit more feel to it. Then selected multiply on the layer output and then changes to overlay. This gives a lighter tone to the base of the image. If you place this below, you won't see the change.